Hello, मैं अपनी गला host अत्तु जमीर, अपनी गला talk show unfiltered ते अपने सब के स्वागत करे से। मणिपुर लगा weightlifter मीराबाई चानूप्रा जाय थगिया टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स से इंडिया का फर्स्ट मेडल सिल्वर मेडल जीती से। ताई लगा इतु जीत प्रा देश पूरा दे खुशी आनी से, स्पेशली नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन दे और मनुकन सब प्रा ताई लगा हार्ड वर्क और जीत तो सेलिब्रेट करे से। होली भी इतु सेलिब्रेशन प्रा अमिखा लगा बिया स्पोर्ट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज और अलग अलग दुख लगा भी अमिखान के रिमाइंड करे से। नागालैंड पर भी डॉक्टर टी आओ और चक्रवलेश्वर खान थगिसे कुन खान पर ओलंपिक से अमिखान लगा स्टेट के रोशन करिसे होली भी अमिखान भाभी बोले लगा खोता दो किले आजिकल दो अमिखान लगा स्टेट पर इनिगा ओलंपियंस खान नाउ लाई जैसे अजी अमिखान लगा टॉक शो दे नागालैंड लगा स्पोर्ट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चैलेंजेस खान फेस कुया खान और वर्ल्ड क्लास स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन खान डेवलप करबले लगा सॉल्यूशंस खान लगा खोता करबले अमिखान लोगो दे एकटा स्पेशल गेस्ट आइना से अमिखान लोगो दे सर मुगातो आईमी आइना से ताई नागालैंड स्टेट लगा स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी लगा कोच से ताई तुइकला नुगिना ताई इत्या प्रेसिडेंट दिमापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन लबी आसे और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट नागालैंड फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन लगा इतुइकला नुइना ताई गवर्नर्स गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट भी आसे और 2 टाइम बेस्ट कोच अवार्ड भी आसे इंटरनेशनल लेवल दे और 1 टाइम नेशनल लेवल दे बेस्ट कोच अवार्ड भी आसे तो थैंक यू सो मच सर अपनी इनी बिजी थगिबो हिली अपनी लगा टाइम उलाइना आमी खान लोदे इनिगा इना खोता बच्ची कुले एग्री कुया करने थैंक यू सो मच तो अमी हान आज लगा इदु डिस्कशन दो आगे बढ़ाएगी ना मैं सर के इदु हुदुले मुंजाव सर हमने भी किन्या गुना स्पोर्ट्स डे इन्वॉल्व हुई जैसे
Before going into detail, I just want to thank the Hornbill TV for inviting me out here today. A big thank you to all of you out here. And then how I went into sports was during my school days. It all started during my school days. When I was in class maybe 4 or 5. So my most loved sports were football and badminton. Achha. So I pursued with that and then slowly I played both the games, both the sports, and I got an offer for joining an academy in Guwahati in badminton also.
Achha.
But since most of my friends they were into football, so I went along with them. My track changed and then slowly my love for football increased. That is where I went into the game and luckily I played up to some extent, some level, and then now very luckily I'm being a coach under Youth Resource and Sports Nagaland.
अच्छा सर जब न्यू इनका स्पोर्ट्स खेलिया दम दे सपोर्ट किना था कि फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स खान लगा सपोर्ट
My family, actually my mother right now she's no more, but then she didn't want me to go into sports. But my father told he was okay with that. You go ahead with whatever you like. So and the other families, my sisters and all that. I have 5 sisters.
Achha.
So 1-2 of them too they encouraged me. The others too they were just as normal like that. But
Achha.
due to my father's this thing, I only started pursuing this.
अच्छा सर तो इनी अब न्यू इनका स्पोर्ट्स खेलेगी ना अहेड हम दे ट्रेनिंग प्लेटफॉर्म खान थगिशना नहीं सेटिस्फाइंग थगिशना नहीं ट्रेनिंग प्लेटफॉर्म खान
During school days or maybe something like that too, that was what the school facility was there. We used to play it out there.
अच्छा
But as and when I started thinking of going for being a professional in football, very luckily I went for trial into Sports Authority of India Training Center in Dimapur, which is the only STC in Nagaland.
Achha.
So luckily I was picked up, and then during my time, I think that is one of the best facilities available in Nagaland during our time. Sports Authority of India, which is directly controlled by Delhi. So luckily we got to train out there. We had a good coach from outside. Our coach was from West Bengal. So it all started like that.
अच्छा सर तो इन्हीं अपनी भी अपनी लगा स्पोर्ट्स लगा कैरियर ना को तो इधर इनिशियल पीरियड देखी ना था कि जे स्टार्ट करा दम दे दुख सुख खान दो इन्हीं किन्हीं था कि जे सिनेरियो दो
Actually during starting though, since see before joining these academies and all that, we were so crazy for football that previously we were not able to afford bikes or something like that. So that was way back in 94, 95, 96. So as a group, by bicycle only, we used to travel up to 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers to play matches, tournaments. So our this thing interest kept coming up, and then our means of transport was through bicycle only.
George to alak thagi
Yeah,
football kheli ole.
obviously. Yeah.
Acha to oni ami nga laga Nagaland laga scenario sai gina aishe kuli do amni laga hisab tv sports kule alak alak khile abi bishi ase
Yeah,
amikhan to kundu sports se government bra ini attention bishi pani shna dikhe.
On that matter, I think Nagaland government, particularly to sports, the attention there. To I think Nagaland government, they don't have that. Okay, from my experience, but above sports, I think our government is more interested in music. Because
Yes.
sports too, hardly they give us this thing any platform, but then music too, they have so many chances, so many platforms. Like we only have one academy for boys in whole of Nagaland, example. But whereas say you see the music scenario, every district, every nook and corner, there is a music school, music institution out there. So likewise, if sports academies are upgraded, if sports academies are initiated, obviously sports will also come up. Yeah.
True. So ini moga laga naga society do sai gina issue kuli apni laga hisab tv kini ase ami khan laga parents kan bi ini ajikali youths kan laga takan supportive asna nai thanga laga bacha han ge sports te involve kurle di bole.
From my experience, in my view, I think supportive as in Bitor brother, and then they also want their children to excel and go bring name and fame, because ami hanini bhabna kurle to kiman kitab puri kina thakle bi once you bring a medal for the country, you can just see our Chano, see overnight she has
Same
become a
by
crorepati.
Chishmar.
So likewise, the parents, they are also this thing, but in Nagaland it's very risky to encourage your son or daughter to be fully involved in sports like that. Na? So due to some earning opportunities, there is no such facilities like that.
Acha ini sports to as a career
Yeah.
lo le karne du ka se naga.
Yeah, obviously.
So to ini naga sports person kan ra ini challenges kan face kure kan du bishi thagiwo to amni be idu laga challenges kan ini kunba share kurle parwa.
Sure. That see, we hardly have any competition. There is no proper good tournament in Nagaland. Like maybe 5-10 years back, regarding my professional football field, one very good tournament in Nagaland we used to host, Royal Cup, where teams from other states, even Mohan Bagan also came and participated. So those tournaments now, Royal Cup is also now not conducted. So tournaments like that, we don't have any good tournaments in Nagaland. And then even in other disciplines, suppose for football from my discipline to at least we have this village level, district level, like that, at least minimum. But for other disciplines, say like boxing, sepak takraw or archery, there is no tournament. Don't even think of a tournament in the whole state. So the government should think on that part also.
Acha ini competition do
Yeah, obviously. Yeah.
Aro ini mo age de hudi thagya nishna ini kile sports to as a career Nagaland maniule kile bhangnai amni edu kiba elaborate kuri paro tade.
Yeah, actually the earning opportunity is zero in Nagaland, because like I said earlier, there is no good competition. Like in my own field, football field, I'm looking after an academy.
Acha.
So my boys in a year, 3 to 4 months, around 15 to 20 of them, they go out of the state. So like Guwahati Super League, say Manipur League, they go for taking part on higher basis, per match basis or contract basis. They sign for 3-4 months, and then even up to the extent of going to Kolkata, Chennai and all those leagues. So those they earn some few monies because club championship is there, and then club wants good players like that. So out here we don't have any of those kinds. So no earning opportunity for the players. So we should have this club culture, and then even the state tournament, very less district, inter-district or state tournament, there is hardly any.
So we can also say that one any talented youths kan to bishi ase tahan
Yeah, obviously, obviously.
mostly tahan bi bahar de khili jai
Yes,
shake
yes,
because
yes.
that the opportunity tade he bishi
Yeah,
ase
yeah.
to tade mon any tade sai shukri do mon Nagaland la team kan to tade plus kai thaki
Yeah, very much, very much.
sabni laga hisab tv ke liye mogan any mohla state te sai shukri do sports te ke liye man importance na de do you think it do any lack of support hi asna aro ki thagi bu tu laga piche de problems kan do
Hamila Bhavnate too, our Naga people usually, maybe 80-90% of our Naga people, they love sports, they are crazy for sports. But from my viewpoint, Ami Kovolumuntu, Ami Khanla government la, the way they have structured the sports system, sports policy, sports, forget about sports policy, that is beyond that, but then sports law structure, itu calendar, ki ase, every disciplines. Itu khanla we don't have that system, proper system. So people laymen khan tu itula itu ase itu khan na jane to they will not know. Only those involved in sports will know that this discipline is that, or that discipline football is that, boxing is that, or archery is that. But for laymen too, they will not know. So government law system, they have to change the system of showing that we are also. Government is also supporting, and then government be support to manuge they should show it to the public na. Iku na thakya la jita kitinga to still waiting.
The wait ini ruki thagi ole
Yeah,
bishi de yaro.
yeah.
So taro ini mon any educational system any institutions kan de sai shu kuliwi amni bi kinya bhabe ini tadiwi sports to importance dia asna nai.
On that part, ami ekta duita to kobole mon, because some schools, like, because I have represented, taken their names so many times and represented in the national and international level, like Greenwood School. They are so focused on sports that it's good, and priority given to this thing, particular sports person, even in the academics and all that. So Greenwood, Pilgrim School, Livingstone, those schools, they are, and I think hockey, Loyola in Kohima, they are all supportive of sports person, okay, these schools. So I think most of the schools, they focus only on the study, academy, and then my student should come in the topper. The name of the school, Roshan Kuribo lage. Itu dia ase. Otherwise, on that part too, they secondary te rakhi the sports. So I think even in the institution level, they also have to give some focus and importance on this.
Mohan aro sai shuguli do mohan laga youth kan sports to as a hobby kushipa khile do bishi dikhe hulibi sai shuguli do ni as a profession do op kurule manuman bishi nai to ami laga sabti do khile ase sir.
See, ami khanla naga chokra khan, they love sports like anything. We are crazy people for sports also. But like I said earlier, ami khan, our talent show kurubole, we don't have those meets. Platform napai. Suppose to club championship, like in football or any, like I said earlier, other discipline to individual or that to takhan to tournament ni nai. Whole year tournament nai, district la, state level la. But for football at least, ekta duita to ase. But bishi to be too less compared to other advanced states na. We are not even 10% of them though, tournaments and all that. And there is no club culture tournament out here, no state league. So because of all those earning opportunity nai, so players obviously chance na paile ko devra takhan tate hobby career itu kurubo de guina. Once all those comes up means players will be motivated. Takhan bi itu te ami olop hoile bi yearly, if I can earn, look after myself without troubling my parents. So at least they will focus their mind, I'll take sport as my career. Na iniga bi bhabna kurubo, but right now we don't have that platform.
Sir, mohan ini ko paru platform ekla do win hoigina aro tahan ge mold kurule tahan ge kiba kurula wi di training training labi centers kan do kini ga ase asena nai.
That's what I said. The academy which I'm looking after is under Youth Resource and Sports.
Acha.
So that is the lone academy for football in the whole of Nagaland. Likewise, IG Stadium Kohima te ase. We have various disciplines: boxing, archery, wrestling, taekwondo, like that. But the whole of Nagaland government brought Satu one academies only. Whereas in other state kantu, you can see like football academy kole private, no individual, any as a club, itu kan kurigina hundreds and hundreds of clubs out there. So when there are so many this thing, competition is healthy, and then talent tade prabi aro sport kurigina aro refine kurbo parala inniga paija. But Nagaland tu ita to we don't have that platform, very unluckily. So hopefully we expect.
Sir to ni apni laga field TV apni laga any football TV government right tak kurigina ahya laga projects kan do ki ase aru do you think it do beneficial asna na ita tak benefit kurina asna na
football since I'm from football fraternity, football part I think manula compared to other states we are not even 10-20% Tailakan law sort of no, because the whole of Nagaland we have only one proper astroturf, that is IGS. And I just want to request our government, from my view and my personal self and my 20 years experience as a player and as a coach, why, since I'm the president of Dimapur district also, AstroTurf Kohima was to be given the first one, Dimapur was to be the second one. But very unlikely, I don't know, Dimapur has produced from Dimapur 3 I-League players, namely James Kithan, Kivi Jimo, Nithovile, they are all from Dimapur district. So, alag state te noile bhi kunba alag jagah te to once ekta jagah bra I-League is the previously maybe 6-7 years back I-League hi football te number 1 top tier league in India thakise. Now since ISL has come, I-League has been number 2 te hoi jaise. They are all interconnected, but for Nagas I-League te khela to it is one of the biggest achievement football fraternity la ase to. So even the players government pra acknowledgement aaj tak di sa nai, and then even Taikhan la career la itu what I mean to say that alag state district te Taikhan ki kure ekta district ekta area bra uthi jaile talent bal hoigina nam kuri dile whole of suppose Manipur Mizoram ekta district bra ulai kina I-League khela ase gule that itu district te immediately infrastructure itu district to nam kurise, obviously there will be more talents like him, and the people out there role model ekta pai kena, even the children and the youths are encouraged by naming, suppose James Kithan Kivi, they are from Dipupar area, highway area, so they'll be encouraged. Those bishi bacha khan upcoming asa, because I have been to every nook and corner in Dimapur, so iman encouraged I can guess I can role model, but then proper infrastructure nai inika jaga te iman nam kuri digina I-League te tinta player Dimapur district pro lai lebi, we are not getting even a single astroturf
appreciation do na pai ta.
Yeah, and then one single astroturf DDSC te dibo thakya bi that has been shifted to Chumukidima. And very before recently in the month of April, Dimapur district football took part in Dr. Tiao inter-district tournament Kohima. So during the interview with some other media person also, I told them that after Dr. Tiao, Dimapur district will be having a peace relay for not giving us astroturf. But very unlikely due to this pandemic, we were not able to follow that. But hopefully if the government with this facility, grass aro ground ekla mati te kheli kini bi, if we can produce 3 I-League players, if astroturf is given to us, why not we can compete with the best others in India, na? So please I request if astroturf can be given to Dimapur district, at least one astroturf. It is not a huge task for the government. So at least we can produce more and more players like them, na? So that's what.
Tumon ini ko paruge আৰু মই ইনি ইটো লগা ওপৰে আৰু নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন টো সুধিবলৈ মন যাব কি নি মই স্পৰ্টছ ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন চাইছোঁ বুলি তো নাগা ইউথছ খান নেশ্যনেল আৰু ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল লেভেল দে তো ইমান দো নাই বিকজ আস্তে আস্তে পৰা ওলাই আছে সুধিব ইমান দো মানুহৰ নিচিনা মণিপুৰৰ নিচিনা চাব নোৱাৰিলে ইনি ফুটবল আছে বুলি মেঘালয় খান দিবা বেছি আছে তো ইনি নাই তো ডু ইউ থিংক itu mohan ini alak state kan lode compare kuri do mohan la infrastructure do bishi lo ase aro government wad mohan ini focus kare do ni nai hi nai alak kan nishna
It's not a matter of infrastructure. Amila sabte from my experience infrastructure la kotha bhi no hoy. Since when there is no tournament in the state,
acha
so where will the players perform? Ko debra takala talent to dikhabo, and we as coaches, we as mentors, ami khan ko debra talent identify korbo. When there is no tournament in the whole of state, we cannot go to Manipur or Mizoram, Meghalaya and watch the whole tournament staying out there for a month. Na iniga boigina tate takhan la saile bi ki kam ami hala naga chokra na uthile. So it has to start all from the village block level, village level, district level and then state level. Inia kurigina ahili. Obviously there is talent in Nagaland in every discipline. So if the amikhanla government priority the bishi dia sports they focus be this current government they are really focusing on sports bishi guri dia ase de but I think means ami to aro itu bishi gurubo dibo mon habra being a sports person I want them to innika focus kurina at least every discipline in Nagaland Olympic disciplines itu kan to state government pra in a year at least 1 or 2 tournament conduct kurdile the whole Nagaland can come up there and then compete and then the finest two we can pick up refine them send them out for trials and then for example I'll just say that for example our ma'am Chakravulo she was also from Nagaland but since we didn't have any academy or something ami kwa nishna nai to platform nai tournament nai kun lo to compete kurubo so she had to go to Tata Archery Academy in Jharkhand and from there only he was trained by good coaches the top coaches in India and even the foreign coaches and then like that only tai ini naga manla nam kuri dia to tai nijor bi iniga bharo like otherwise in Nagaland we have so many talent no hidden talents so hopefully we are still waiting for the government no
oi mo ini ko parwo ke talents kan to bishi azre thambe do showcase kole jaga hi nai
yes.
acha sir apni bhi as a player and a coach any apni difficulties kan face kurna hai challenges kan face kurna hai ando ki ase sir
Hamila it's a very good point asking that I was also feeling that itu question hudile I want to express because I faced so many hardships during my playing career and even now still struggling as a coach. Why I am saying this because ami kobole montu ami khan naga manu we people of Nagaland ami khan ki kure we have talent maybe some of us can bring laurels going out will it be the root evil of all this my own experience and it has happened to me time and again so root cause of all this is tribalism and favoritism in Nagaland so true. I think this should go out otherwise without itu tribalism favoritism amila gor mano ase noilibe amila bosti area mano ase tai sema ao angami lotha ase koi thakile Naga will never prosper in sports so Naga fraternity my 25 years experience as a player and as a coach ami ko bole mon to ami khan we should totally kick this out ism itu nagura tak to ami khan uthi thakile be ekjon bra tanibo ephale bra taningena like there is a saying crab khan bucket ekta dhalle ekta uthya to the same thing for us so it's happening my own experience so after during my playing career as a player also now even after being a coach also it's happening like that I am experiencing all that and I am always the scapegoat of that so I really want to change ho diomon to and I want our Naga people to be free and without any ism and sports to
ami to ini halaga ni ulop incident kan kole parbo ini kininga iduhan hoy ituan laga ini mohan ge ulop outlook dile
that too like very luckily ami coach hop chete ami I think most of the people in Nagaland we are very familiar. So Naga Baba Amma from sub junior to junior senior level Subroto Cup to sob Naga Manu Bishibak Jania football day. So I have been taking the team to Subroto Cup for the past 14-15 years. Iniga itula experience te Kimman at least in the history of Nagaland football. Subroto Cup to Amikhan 1980 te joint winners Manipur logote hoikina thakise de. Only that joint winners final khelo na parigena. Itu record te. And very luckily since 2005 ami department join kurigina for the past 14-15 years I have been training the boys in the academy, taking them out tournament te. So I have played around 10 to 15 national final. Luckily sir morom kurina. And then inia kurigina habi aro luckily Indian government Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports pra 2015 te amila itu achievement khan saigena India under 13 team South Korea te lui jabo disha me under 13 India team. So Asian Youth Football Festa te. So we went as India and then we were the runners up also. So while coming back we stayed at Delhi for 3 days. So Ministry of Youth Affairs kan iman bhalbra during that time the Union Sports Minister was Sir Sarbananda Sonowal. So he invited us also, head TV team, congratulated us like that na. So inika amikile amila itu ajitak kiman laurels anilebi I being from the Department of Youth Resource and Sports ajitak being a coach ami khan gitu appreciation itu ajitak nai. So even from my parent appreciation naile others barbara kinya kurina others will appreciate na. So I want that thing to change. So it hurts. Itu kan man duk kurina ami kan bi all out mentally physically prepare kurigina mehnat kurigina ईश्वर के मांगी ना अलग एकता दुईटा national level ते international level ते एकता दुईटा medal लाने अभी appreciation इतुला credit इकु ना दिले तो it hurts a lot.
Or we can say that idu appreciation na bado youth kan karne bishi discouraging ho. Tambi ni babi thagyo ke aya muan inia kulu appreciation ni babu le noe kulu do kile kulu iniga bishi thagyo iniga youths kan bina. Certainly muan ni infrastructure or policy do khali sawo kulu do political will lage. Do you think Nagaland government laga do is it a lack of will or is it merely a question of funds and leadership?
I don't think it's a matter of funds and leadership. Oh, Amila Bhavna de to our politicians, whichever party they may rule. Ami pila Bhavna kuri tha kya? Without politics, you cannot go ahead. And then without politics, we cannot live. Amila, my thinking. So, kun government hoili bi kun do party hoili bi cabinet party form kurile. In Nagaland, if we really want sports to come up, cabinet decision noile bi taikhan la party meeting, legislature meeting kura time te decision loi gena sports itu this should be let it be any party, but for sports upliftment this will be the decision of the cabinet. These are the things to be uplifted. Inya guna list kuri digina any government comes this should carry on koi gena inni ka ekta banai dile. Obviously, ami khan uthibo libi itu ekta bi nai just some very luckily kunba poila sports khela khan minister ahile MLA ahile tai khan to encouraging word kobo they support a bit but ekjon bra to itu na parbo the whole politicians khan tai khan during their meeting I think decision loi gena inika sports youths khan because sports is totally for youths youths khan iman encourage uplift kurulo so tai khan garni future bhavna kuri digena if they can make that decision any government comes this should be followed all this for upliftment of sports in Nagaland. So inika ekta kuri dile to obviously people will start taking sports as profession also.
So also do you think that mo ani ministers kan huliwi ini sports khila manuhan thagi shukle than ni idula field this session nole idula kiba usually do you think there will be more changes?
Yeah, obviously itu to hobo if someone from a sports background becomes a minister or an MLA itu to obviously he may also have hardship to face kuri na thakibo him tai do in and outs the marriage sob jani na thakibo to so itu ge heal guru bole itu ge thik guru bole iniga jaile to like I'm not against noile bi dosra minister mele khan to na jane kwan hoy everybody loves sports but then particularly নিজৰ profession de takine jaile to
he will have more
ideas more knowledge and more itu emphasis to age kinia loi jabo tai thakibo to since he himself or she himself herself has experience na so itu
one in the future de na thakibo koina hope kuri thakibo
oh yeah hopefully pray go thakibo
sir apni laga hisab ti bi parents aro any educational institutes kan kima dangor role play kure any youths kan ge encourage kure bole any sports person kan ge any encourage kure bole karne
the parents aro institution that is one of the best place itu sabse best jaga ase de sports uplift kurule encourage kurule youth khan ge tate hobby nole passion nijola profession banaule encourage kurule that is the right time right place but ami khan la yete Nagaland la culture to itabi itute punchane we haven't reached up to the culture because like I said earlier ami hoile bi anyone let it be parent kunba parents thakile apni la bacha chhokra chhokri ke sports career kite bi na pathabo to because there is no earning opportunity plus maybe 10 years back we heard that 5% reservation for sports person to itu bi 3 year de harai jaise aji tak kun bi sports kota bra service paise kwa to that is not there so itu khan na thai na at least if the government kotha kwa nishna husab ra itu khan implement kurisho koile not all of us but then some few at least itu accommodate kurina paise je koina ekta duita jani jaile to obviously the institution and then even the parents will be encouraged to let their siblings pursue na and then kwa nishna just 2 months back our union minister was Sir Kiren Rijiju. He was saying that in the educational institution, school, colleges, now we take sports as optional subject. Make it mandatory subject like that. So he was suggesting that, but very unluckily now his portfolio has been changed. So hopefully new minister hatu taibit itulatu na bahorigina every institution in school college ko as a sports it should be a mandatory subject koigina like other subjects inia kuri dile tu obviously ami khan Nagaland nikla no hoigina even India will bring more laurels na we can bring more laurels to our state plus country.
Sir, any mohan sai shuguri do northeastern states any Manipur Assam sai shuguri do mohan do sports la site fanya do mohan do tahanwa pichi ase to ini apni bi ini do competitive culture do anule government bi ki kru lage nule as mohan bi as a society ki kru lage
I have been repeating that again and again itu age itula that same answer phale jabole ase ami khan itu tai khan ge na we cannot catch them up in infrastructure because Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya, whatever technical infrastructure to now if we see India la top Haryana or say Goa, Kerala something like Itukan, West Bengal, Itukan la level te punchi jala se but whereas we are starting from scratch aro itia tak kun bhi Nagaland ge tu iniga kurubo lage buino to minister MLA ajita kaha to sports te to we should solely to start grow but ajita khunya ne so if like the question you asked was competitiveness ami khan bitorte nai to no platform to compete against each other aro ami khan bi earlier I said identification talent identification kuribole la jaga platform thakibo lage to there is no any discipline te bi you see in Nagaland besides music music to everywhere whole year every month there is competition this that very good music is coming up like that but I mean music fraternity against me nai but then we can just see itia ami khan la Manipur bra ekta medal ani to anya to country karni kiman proud moment ase so sports too we can bring that focus and map even the whole state or country to we can show it to the world na so
আমি from my experience আমি তো জানা তাক তো world music competition ইতুখান তো নাই means I don't know I'm not from the music field but I haven't heard that world music championship or something like that it's not there so little bit tate pra bi divert kurina sports te bi itula adha hoile bi focus kurile te obviously we can compete with other states so
ini music tekla no hoigina ini
Yeah,
sports
yeah.
ti ulap suku dhali dili
hoy even 20-30% of that
Ini-
the whole year
acha,
la
acha.
na
to ni mohani ni sai shugule mohala naga olympian khan do itia olympics ja se to ni dulaga khota koilo to dr tia or chokhrabul khani ase tai junior se ko koilo do so amni lagai sab tv ta laga time de ta la support system do kinia thaya karne edu than kurule parish aro sai shugule ajigali do nai to amni edu la opor de kiba ekta kole mon jabo
obviously itula kobole mon jabo nai no kobole mon ase so the thing is that tai dujon bi naga manu thakise naga manu ase but very sad to say that naga manu hoi kine bi ami khan la jaga de training facilities infrastructure opportunities ikku nai ami age de kwa nisna chokrovulo bi tate bihar ma jharkhand te boi kine taila training itu kuri kina tate brai niga na mani diala even dr tiao tai tu আমি খান তো নাগা মানুহ আছে কই কেনে ইমান তাইকে নিগা ঈশ্বৰ নিচিনা মানে ফুটবল ফ্ৰেটাৰ্নিটি তো দ্য হোল অফ ইণ্ডিয়া বাট আসাম লা তাই তো আসাম কটন কলেজ তে ষ্টাডি কৰিন তাতে পৰা উঠিয়ালা আছে আসাম মানুহ তো তাই খান লা ষ্টেট পৰা আছে এটো পৰা তিয়াও তো তাই খান লা আছে কইনে ইনিগা বি কই তো বিকজ 10-15 years back some this thing issues also came up during notice itu mit khante তিয়াও তো he was brought from Assam and then first Indian Olympic captain kura to from ami khan Nagaland de manya to Assam khan manya la adha bhi na kure de tiao ge na so that culture has to change ami khan nijor la nam kura khan ki bi ami khan we are slowly if we start forgetting them means kun bi itu sports te itu te career koribi ami khan Nagaland de sports will definitely niga kurle to if we don't remember our legends and heroes to sports assess te khatam hoi jabo ami na
any appreciation
Yeah,
na
yeah,
di jale
yeah.
so any morning political level dibi aro any as a community level dibi morning sports to promote krole ki kru lage any infrastructure aro amni condition competitiveness to charigina aro ki krule ami han encourage ko paro ami hala youths kan ge
community level or government level political level the to government lai ase the government itself so politically to once the government implement suppose ami khan example itia vdb fund noilibi energy ki government bra he to itu khan ahile hi community khan to kam grow pare to na village development hobi whatever they can develop through the funds and this thing of various government alag rasta pra patha bra but sports te itu nishna ekta scheme kuri kena community ki bi na kurle kun manu bi community ami khan 10 jon milai kena chu ami khan la area la gota ami khan sponsor kuri kena chokra khan chokri khan noli bi youth khan ge uthabo once or twice they may organize or they may try to uplift but then long run te do itu to kun bi na parbo de to the what I want to say is that the government should make a policy or strategy in such a way that sports to as a culture in Nagaland and then career bhi banawa parala bacha khan itu te all out career banawa parala inika from the government side if the structure itu khan sob set up kuri dile to obviously community khan bi everybody will be involved and once it's involved like that ami khan bi start spread kuro pare
so also as a sports person yourself no leni nijor bi as a sports person keep kurule lage thambi ini sports to ini focus kuna thagi bole
what I want to send out a message to the sports person in Nagaland that ami khan story inspiring stories bishi hune to Manipur la noli bi Assam la stories kunba superstars medal anya khan Olympic hobi national international bishi anya khan bi tai khan to they have that patience so determination and patience ami khan naga manu khan we don't have that patience determination because ek see jack of all trades master of none ase ami khan kile ami why as my experience Manipuri ekta tai boxing kheli ko noli bi archery kure tai ke ekbar tt kheli bi ko do carom kheli bi ko do olop pi na jani wa tai very new for him whereas we Naga people as I am a footballer noli bi boxing taekwondo archery wrestling sob olop to jani thake de Naga manu we being iniga ase sob olop touch we know little bit we know how to play everything but we are masters of none so tai khan to ekta focus kurle khabi na khabi pet bandi ki noile bi itu brai ami nam kurina ami la pet tu yete bra pale hokina they go straight like that with that determination but ami khan tu ita Naga sports person to we itu tu sapna debi kun la debi ita ta culture to anai we should create that we should have that mentality that this is my profession I will survive with this quick if you start doing that ki ahile bi mehnat kurugin hoile bi whatever ami kurubo gole to
or we can also say that ini Julie give up kuri de
Yeah,
ni
yeah,
sai
yeah.
shuguri ni acha tik ase de ini field te na ho nishina ase kuri de ni chari de
yeah obviously
so do ini coming to an end of this conversation sir ami hala viewers kan ge ko khole asna nai sir
I just want to say see ami khan hoy everybody loves sports and then me as a sports person plus as a sports mentor also ami bi sports to the whole day khushi pai de so but then we need the support of those non sports interest na thakya bi and then players khan ge every discipline ge kobole mon to ami khan kwa nishna discuss kura nishna itu show te infrastructure maybe we don't have all the facilities it is never too late keep on training keep on apni ki kura ase mehnat kuribi one of this few years maybe ami khan Nagaland bi we can reach up to that level so hope to give up na kuribi always keep striving aro first priority sportsman la ami ko de jaile bi kunba jaga da speech paile bi itu goi thake ami khan discipline we lack that Naga sports person we lack discipline manula niche boibole itu na pare so we should change that culture and then first priority isor ge digina focus kurle we can also bring medals for Nagaland in even in the Olympics so with these words I just want to encourage our people
तो थैंक यू सो मच सर अपनी इनी बिजी थगिलु आइना इनिगा मन अमिहान के निगा करदो भावना से कि अमिहान लगा स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन का भी अमिला खतरा बिशी मोटिवेट हुई ना थगियो और नागालैंड लगा स्पोर्ट्स अमिहान लगा व्यूअर्स का भी नागालैंड लगा स्पोर्ट्स लगा सीनियर दो किनी आसे दु लगा बिशी जानी ना थगियो करना भावना क्रेस थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन सर मोगा लगा आज लगा टॉक शो करने मानी होबो और मोगा इनिगा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स और इंपोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कान एवरी वीक अपनी हाल लोगो दे मोगा लगा हॉर्नबिल टीवी अनफिल्टर्ड ते अनि थगिबो और अलग अलग खबर करने साइट थगिबि हॉर्नबिल टीवी